Received orders given. Expect results. It's Airdrop Sniper here. After all, the big profits that have been made so far were because of confident betting in the very early stages. The reason I was able to make more than $3,300 was due to the early entry and the fact that the hype grew so quickly that the deposit period ended up being shorter than expected. The most regrettable part of the airdrop operation is arguably the period during which one's funds are tied up. Today's airdrop operation is essential, especially as the Bitcoin halving is approaching, and the biggest beneficiaries are the Bitcoin Layer 2 ecosystems. Given the results from previous Bitcoin-related airdrop operations I've handled, if you've missed out so far, today might be an opportunity to seize with the build on Bitcoin, Bob project. The most attractive point is that after about a month of lockup period, withdrawal becomes possible, with only 14 days left to deposit, and after going through 3 versions and seasons, airdrops will be provided immediately, so it's worth expecting significant earnings without risk. To briefly explain, this is the first hybrid Bitcoin L2 project connecting Bitcoin and EVM. Domo, big name in BRC20, joined as angel investor, and the project's BitVM technology, which connects Bitcoin and EVM, is getting hyped by investment firms. It has attracted a total investment of $10 million with Castle Island Ventures leading, and the TVL has already surpassed $150 million. Given the relatively low number of participants, high rewards are anticipated. However, it's worth noting that because it's on the Ethereum mainnet, gas fees might be a bit of a burden, so depositing a significant amount is recommended. Using the OKX wallet for Bob staking can also earn you a 15% point bonus. The multiplier effect varies depending on the coin. For instance, TBTC and WBTC receive a 1.5 times bonus, while TON, USDC, Tether, and others get 1.3 times, and Alex and Ethereum get 1 times. I pursued extreme efficiency by depositing with the OKX wallet and WBTC. The deposit method is straightforward. Install the OKX wallet and either create a new one or import the private key from your existing MetaMask wallet. I've left a link to the method below the video, and if you find it challenging, you can seek help in the comments. I imported my MetaMask private key into the OKX wallet with ease. Next, you transfer the funds you wish to deposit on the Ethereum mainnet. I prepared 5,000 USDC. Once ready, connect to Jumper Bridge to swap USDC to WBTC, noting the slippage fee. Then, access Bobby through my link, enter the referral code below the video, link Twitter, follow Bob, and connect your wallet. When you select MetaMask, the OKX wallet connects automatically. On the Season 1 deposit screen, even without doing anything, seeing 6,493 participants indicates it's still very early with many opportunities. Select WBTC, enter the amount, and proceed with the deposit. The fees seem to be around $30. The reason I've been focusing on deposit operations is that the current market theme involves investing a portion of your seed money and expecting returns through allocated airdrops. The major earnings in this market come from early investments rather than focusing on reasons it might not work. With the Bitcoin halving, this theme will inevitably gain attention, so I suggest getting involved. If you have questions or need clarification during the Bob Airdrop operation, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for today's session. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to stay updated on upcoming airdrop snipe tutorials. Also, I've included a short guide in the video description, so be sure to check it out. Stay tuned for the next video.